In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to notepad to image converter online free step-by-step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have a notepad file and you want a notepad to image converter. So to convert the notepad to image, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us convert a notepad to image file. So click select file and then select the notepad file which you want and click open. And here selects the image file format. And here click convert. And here a few second wait notepad to image converter. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the image file. This is how to notepad to image converter. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.